seeing the pastors and the preachers up on the altar, I remember seeing how much power they had. I remember seeing how they used to change people's lives and how they used to do all these things that are supposed to be impossible. And I remember people telling me that they see them as being powerful people living amongst us doing extraordinary things, and I told them that I see them as people fulfilling their purposes. And I too have a purpose. My purpose might be a bit different. I'm fulfilling mine. What is up, people? Is your boy here, Triple Storm, and it's early. Trying to see if I can work on my game. Trying not to be a bot. That's pretty much what I'm doing right now. So for those of you who are wondering why it is that I'm grinding so hard on Fortnite, I'm trying not to be a bot. I've been a bot for too long. For too long. Alright guys, let me see if I can get this coin system set up. Also, people, don't forget. This is kind of cool. Also, people, don't forget. Yo, Big Sergeant, welcome to the stream. Don't forget, the people. The gifting system is out. You do get 3 items that you can gift. Also, I am supporting Bullseye Game underscore 876. I am using it for code. I rotate it out. I think it's every 14 days or something like that. Reset, so I rotate it out and start using rhinestone. So kinda like it. Like you look more like Ash though. More like baby though. Not to take up the time, not to take PCM mode. Come on, Fussbot, what are you doing? Let me should just close it and try open it back. Yeah, I should try that. Oh no, I think somebody's here with me. shoot. What's the dead here now? I'm not happy. No. You get the youth. You get the youth. You get the GG. Should I go the other way? In? Stupid. GG, get to do. I'm in class. I'm mute the stream. Oh, no, watch out now. Hey, if you're in a class, you know, nobody run the stream in a big Sarge. We have to check, we have to be responsible. We have to be responsible. Don't know that yes, what's good, Beep?
How you doing?
I'm good, man. What's good at football?
Good, man. Right. 1 second, let me just turn my alarm off.
Cool. Alright, so, and alright, so coin system online. We are good to go. We are 100.
Yeah.
It was good.
Dude, I just failed 16 kill crossbow game. I messed up on the last house.
Dude, me and Bruce have this one.
Is you typical on good?
I don't know.
Who is this person right here?
This is one of my friends and one of my subscribers.
I only play with subscribers.
Can he come check you out then?
What?
Can my friend check you out? He's really good.
Yeah, you got it because
Ben, go sub to...
I'll let it slide for this time, bro. I only play with subscribers, okay?
So did what?
Go sub to Bruce Killer.
Alright, you got this, my boy? 1? I'm gonna call you 1, bro. Let's go.
The Risk, sir, he's like the best level player I've ever seen.
Alright, we're going back here. We hitting it up with bad beer. be on a constant lookout.
George. George.
Yeah.
I never knew Brisk Nuclear had like 840 kills.
Yeah. Yo guys, I said we get tilted. I'm getting a bench from last game, dropping 16 kills.
Yeah, I just dropped 12 kills.
Down for whatever, man.
Actually, these guys are lazy.
No, don't jump, don't jump.
George.
What?
There's
Wait, where's Bruce?
Okay, I'm back. Yo, what's up, one?
Yo,
Oh,
risk
yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm
subscribe.
How you doing,
Oh.
brother?
Yeah, I'm good. I realized you were saying one. Yo, Polar Players, welcome, welcome to the stream. We kick up our early stream in the morning. Yeah.
pretty high top. I gotta go now.
Alright, let's get this game.
Where are we landing at?
I don't know. I'm kind of behind, but I'm coming to you guys right now.
Let's do this apartment with the chest. I'll give him the call.
Alright, George, can I have a chest?
Yeah, get the chest.
I got a new launcher and some minis.
Come on, game.
There's 2 minis.
Hurry, hurry.
Got one down.
Nice, Bruce. Keep up the work.
I think it's demons are coming. Hold on, so yeah.
Where you at? I know you in my building.
Brisk, I have you a mini. Oh wait, never mind. I didn't know you gave me 2. Wait, someone else is here.
Yeah, I'm on my way over there.
Here, I'm gonna see if I can kill him.
Brisk.
Yep.
Vince. I need help. There's a dude on me.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, no.
Got him.
Alright. Tell me if I have a spare shotgun.
There's a pump.
Alright. Yo, let's go, George. Start. Got him.
My game's back. I'm sorry.
Whoa.
My bad.
This one.
Come on, game me
Oh,
bill.
can I have a mini? Oh, never mind. Shotgun shells?
Here you go, here you go, here you go.
Right, thanks.
Here you go, brother. Good shit.
Launch pad.
I'm getting shot at.
Okay, yep.
Where at?
Where?
I don't know if it's some or other apartments, but it was somewhere more. Right?
Oh, there's a llama. I see a llama.
Alright, I'll be there. Oh, it's from apartment. The one right by
Yeah, see.
Alan. Next time he peeks at me, snipe on him. Alright, launch padding.
To you.
No, he's going to loot. Alright, next time. Good, you got someone on you?
No. I got some goods though.
Alright,
YouTube, come here.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
nice.
I have no long range weapon.
I have an infantry rifle.
Alright, YouTube. There's a slurp out
It's
here.
on
Come
me.
get the slurp.
Yeah, I'm on my way. Yeah, I see it.
Hey, Vince, don't push too hard.
Yeah, I'm just tagging their thing.
I'm pushing with you, bro. Right here.
Alright, I'm on my way. I'm still laggy though.
He's on top, I think.
Alright,
I
these
can
guys
carry
really
those
wanna-
clingers.
Yeah, I'll carry them. I'm on my way.
Oh, I see him. He's all the way over there.
Yeah,
We shouldn't even mess with them. 'Cause
Yeah,
I
he's
don't
running.
know
It's a
they
duo.
are.
We could easily wipe them
Yeah,
out.
he's a duels. I see him running.
Yo, Bruce, you still got that launch pad?
No, I don't got nothing.
Which direction are they headed?
Alright, do you guys want to go loot? Because we can push on those people who went loot.
Yeah, let's go loot lake, because I need an AR. I'm not playing this game without an AR. Bruce, we're coming down here. Alright, I'll just go with Bruce.
Alright. I'm with Chris.
Alright, I'm with you, dude.
Oh, people right here. People right here. Look at him. This is the guys right here. Ooh.
You guys good?
Oh my God, missed that? Really?
I don't have any long shots.
No scope? Oh my god.
I still go.
Knocked
Jesus.
him. Nice.
Nice one. Good shit, bro.
Is there
I hit him. I was trying to kill that guy. That guy was
anyone have
just
sniper
throwing me.
bullets? Anyone have sniper bullets?
Yeah, I got you right here. It's right here. Come to me.
Oh, and
First
Bruce,
go with
I'm
the
carrying
infantry
a
rifle.
launcher, so we won't need it.
Bruce, I have you minis.
Other kids?
Bruce, here.
That's
Here, Bruce.
What's up?
6 minis. I dropped your minis.
I got minutes. Thank you.
Oh. Watch out for that trap.
Alright then, nice job, guys. I heard shots over here, and by the way, guys, I'm carrying a med kit, so.
Alright, man. Hold up, give me a second.
People right here.
I'm Bruce.
One on top. One on the bottom too.
Bruce, if it's a 4 squad, you should probably drop back.
Bruce, fall back a little.
They're pushing me anyway. Only one shot. The dude on the bottom of me. He's like one shot. He's gonna end me. He's weak. That guy's weak. The one in the water is weak. Right there.
That you ain't getting away. Okay, Bruce. Oh, Bruce.
Yeah, the dude, he got me. It's alright though. GG's.
We got you, Bruce.
Yo, I swear I just heard shots over here. Is that you, George?
Yeah.
I'm getting it.
Alright, I'm back.
That guy was so weak too.
Yeah, sorry about that, man. I had to go home and the door left somebody in.
George, you got any rockets? Do you want to have any rockets?
Yeah, here.
Alright.
Where'd you say people were at?
No, I thought I...
GG, thank you for the GG. How you doing, killer?
Yeah,
Where's that dude shooting from? Oh, I swear.
Let me know what time you get on, killer. Get down with us.
Oh!
Nice, Vince. 210 with the hunting rifle.
Yo, get on a balloon.
Nice, Vince.
Ooh, good choice, brother. One. That's a nice one. That sniper's OP.
Where?
Attack from 100. Hello?
They're in the water on the bottom of
Oh,
that.
I see
Yeah.
him, I see him. Oh, I got no match.
28. He's literally white.
Yeah, I know. I tagged him for 100.
me get
I
two.
see that. Ooh. See that sniper work? You tagged him for 43.
Yo, I love this
Really?
infantry rifle, man. I freaking love it.
George, I no scoped him.
I know, I saw. My loot though.
The loot.
Loopy.
Yo, anyone have names?
Yo, we're being
Someone
sniped.
snipe.
Yeah, we're being sniped from the east.
I'm doing great, brother.
Oh, you ain't going. Ah, it's from the north. We're being sniped from the north.
I saw him on that metal, there's a metal stair down
Oh yeah, he's up there.
Oh, I see him.
Don't push.
Hello, Tumbo. Push up a Tumbo. Do it again, a Tumbo.
Should we just push until he's back off?
Shit.
Tag him with the
Behind you.
Oh, I did it.
Come on, build.
They wouldn't let you build. You had one guy shooting from the back and one from in front of you. You had two guys. Yeah, they suck. They double team you too.
Yo, up top here, 76 Entertainment. So I tried it, asking all and tried. Wait, in the school, so that's cool. Yo, I don't want to not cut class, watch me stream, and I appreciate it, but I don't want to not cut class, watch me stream.
Watch out, there's a trap in there.
My first like,
Hey, what's up? Welcome to the stream, Scorpion. Good morning to everybody in the chat, guys. GG, guys.
7 kills, dude.
yo, this infantry rifle. Tough. Sweet. Yo, the infantry rifle, I like it. I like the way it fire, I like the way it shoot, I like the way it feel. Infantry rifle, good at it.
You was tagging them with that rifle.
Yeah, it's awesome.
What is it for 40? You tagged him for 43 twice, 3 times. I was like, okay.
Yeah, infantry rifles. Infantry rifles.
Yo, Bruce,
I like the way
Yes.
it fires too.
I sent you a friend request.
Are you on PS4 Epic?
Epic.
I bet.
Risks her plays on mobile, that's why.
Okay, oh yeah, he does, mobile. Yeah, I got a couple mobile friends too. Sometimes they can't hear me when I'm talking to them.
Infantry
They
rifle
kind of annoying
sounds good too.
sometimes.
Yeah, you have a decent sound change. It just sounds. It just make it feel like a day of war. Just boom, 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 boom.
Yeah,
More
man.
more bullets. No,
That guy that got me was one hit. Oh,
alright, you see, the thing with the infantry rifle is this. Alright, they have to balance the game a certain way. That's certain weapons don't overpower certain weapons, and even though it's a new weapon, they have to balance it a way where it's not too commonly used to neglect the previous weapons. So it's basically a cross between the burst and the and an AR. So where the AR fire over a period of time and the heavy fire one fire with massive recoil. So you have limited recoil, you have a limited amount of recoil, you have a shorter burst of single bullets. Plus on top of that you get a small zoom.
let's go here, guys. Let's rock it out right here. We're gonna rock it out at the diner.
Oh yeah, Donna.
My favorite spot. It's cool. I mean, hopefully I don't die this one, and I can stay alive. The guy that you killed him. The one that got me. He was like one hit.
But you say it's a cross between AR and hunting rifle. Yeah, that's what I mean.
So we got 2
So like it's a cross between AR and hunting rifle.
Yep. Oh, he took my gun. Oh, come on, come on.
Tongo.
He really took my gun. He's chasing me too. What a sucker.
No, give me this! Oh, man. Lucky youth!
Oh, what a sucker. Oh my gosh, he really chased me too. Like,
You
wow.
ain't even know, dog. You ain't even know.
Oh, he really chased me. I didn't know. Let me
You
get
don't
it.
even know.
Vince,
Hey.
any gun?
Oh no, come on, don't kill me. What a good kill. What a good kill. Oh, good kill, man.
Yo,
He was trying to finish me. Oh,
No,
oh, what's coming? What's coming?
I don't have anything.
Go get the gun right here.
Oh no.
Picked it up.
Oh man, that was crazy.
That was funny as hell. Yo, you would run with me. Yo, if me get a shotgun a little bit before him come in or first of them I and he bust you, I'd have to slap off his head top. Yo, you don't even know. You don't even know. Yo, him leave you for dead. Yeah, that me I talk about in Piccolo son. Yo, Atumbo. No, him and somebody else come back. Yeah, I want skin like that, dude. On the left.
1,000. Oh yeah, I'm almost at 900 soon.
Yeah, Bruce can get it easy.
I'm trying to. I've been on the grind for so long, man. You know, I've been grinding, man.
Yo, Bruce.
On the grind.
How long you been on YouTube?
I don't remember. I gotta see the first time I did my first video.
Yo, Bruce.
I've been
Yes.
on February
I have
23rd.
150
To make 3 years of the channel on YouTube.
What happened?
February 23rd. To make 3 years of the channel on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
My channel doesn't grow for some reason.
Yeah, I've been here for a while.
Vince, the school fight video. I put the
Alright,
wrong one.
alright.
I put the wrong one.
Oh.
For the
Yeah,
school
because I was
fight.
trying to say that's a little click.
Yeah, so I've been on the block for a while, man. Learning, grinding, trying to become a better YouTuber.
I
Trying
don't
to
think
get some more
so
subs,
much.
trying to help some more people.
The school fight.
But believe it. I'll tell you one thing.
Hey,
This
I
is
was
so.
gonna. Alright. So
What you say?
the girls that were fighting, one threatened to shoot the one in the head and then watch her bleed out. I was gonna, and she looks like Dora. I was gonna be like, Dora causes a threat to South Allegheny School District. Evan went cooler just so long.
This is one actually a good spot. I go. This.
Yeah, there's especially for spawn.
Dude, I like the green back. I love that.
I do not want that game just to happen again because that was insane.
Yo, that was. It
Yeah,
was funny though.
It was funny because it was just that we had no gun. Everything was like.
There's a team coming here,
Yeah, I see him.
or maybe just a solo. I'm not sure.
No. It's
Alright,
cool.
Bruce got a
There's
really
one
good
there.
drop. Bruce, someone's in there with you. Missed the pump.
Who did?
Nice. Oh no, you don't want to Tumbo.
I have for someone.
Alright guys, on your toes.
On your toes on those panties.
Panties? Bruce, you're not in panties, are you?
You are.
I'm not. You're tripping, Bruce.
Alright.
Maybe baby faces. Baby faces still in panties.
Baby got a big diaper.
Da-dum. And I think.
That's my boy. That's my boy right there. Diaper.
George,
What?
I'm all alone right now, but I don't see anyone, so.
There's another
No,
guy
you're
that
not.
came
I'm right
here.
here.
Oh, no.
There's like 3 guys that came
I've
here.
done been here, Vince.
I saw 2, but I'm pretty sure they're-
Where are you anyway?
I'm atop the
Okay,
I'm
Alright, I see you, I see you, I see you.
Yo,
I don't see no one now.
I have 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you in here. For sure, brother. Yeah. I'm playing with some cool people right now, actually.
I'll be off in a bit, so if he wants to join
Yo,
up, he
Bruce.
can.
Yo, one.
Vince.
YouTube one.
But I definitely I'm gonna add you, man, for sure.
Vince,
YouTuber
me and
one,
Bruce were going off.
Yeah,
YouTuber one, I have 2 minutes for you.
yeah, I'm on my way. Let me see where you at. Alright, that's it.
Alright.
Did they buff ARs?
I see that skin, okay, I see that. Alright. How many skins? You got a lot of skins?
For me?
Yeah.
Not really. I only have I have all this. I have every skin for this season except for the final one. I have another profile
Yo,
that
I
I
have
have.
hunting right
But I'll use that profile in a minute.
Yo,
What, I got a plane? Wrapped him? Oh my god. Oh man.
I need an AR.
Oh, you think you're gone though?
George, green AR on me.
Nice, Vince. Where's the honey? Oh, there it is. Ooh, blue too. I need bullets for it.
Drop you some? I split
That plane comes back. That plane's gonna die if it comes back.
I picked the slurp up for Bruce.
Oh, he's coming back. Ooh.
Oh, easy.
Oh.
Holy crap.
Oh my god, I fell, guys. I fell. Someone help
Operation
me.
Save Bruce. Yeah, we're coming.
The plane's coming back.
Look at this.
Where are you at? Huh?
It's at the bottom. That's the bottom. East 105. The plane. Yeah, I fell right there. Wow, that's so. I put a ramp and everything to build, and it wouldn't even let me build.
Who's sniping?
I am.
Alright,
I
where are
got
they?
you, Bruce.
Nice.
You see them builds, Bruce?
I see some builds in the.
Oh god.
I have 2 minis for Bruce. I have 2 minis.
I have a slurp.
Yeah, but he can take my 2 minis.
No, he already has full shield.
Oh, I keep on forgetting.
Oh wait,
about that.
unless you just want to use a campfire.
Yeah, use a campfire quick.
Hold up.
Jump up.
Hold on.
Jump up.
Tumbo.
You good?
Okay. Yeah, there we go. That was crazy,
Sing around
man.
the campfire and sing that campfire song. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E.
I can't believe I fell like that. That was so full on.
Alright, drink the slurp first. Once you get meds. Yeah. We got you, Bruce. We got you. You're our president. We're not gonna let nothing hurt you.
Well, guys, I'm gonna farm up.
There's
Let's get it.
sticks. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah, I need one too.
Wow, that was insane.
You see people?
No, I said I can't believe that. Like I fell. Like what?
Launch pad.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's a weird fall right there.
Low, man.
I even build and everything, and just like
It's weird.
Hey, I gotta get meds real quick.
there go that plane. Plane gonna coming back.
Let him come. Let him come.
This is the plane I tagged a whole bunch of guys.
Tagged it for 90 with the sniper. You want one?
Tagged them.
I hear someone with a sniper.
Yep, 150, that's me, George.
Where are they at?
I think they're out of sight. Maybe out.
Good morning, Miss Jackie. And how are you? Can't complain. No. The window?
Bruce,
George, how much metal do you have?
just
Leave
100.
that here, man.
I'm taking this
Leave
up,
it
see if
rough, man.
there's anyone up here.
Yep.
One at a time, like, alright, let me tell you how me even get for go home last night. On town bus, me not forget. Town bus. Like,
that
alright,
mats.
like it taxis them around my side. I kind
we
of
gotta get
paper
the
them
bruise
next
in
from.
them.
Oh.
I have a
They
launch
make
pad.
from
We'll just
paper.
use the launch pad.
So you see whenever
Alright,
rain,
let me come up there. Let me
it's
come
from
up there.
rainy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I drive with that taxi, man. So
I
anytime
love how you don't take fall damage anymore.
Yeah, me too.
so them rain, when rain and when night,
Alright, George, I feel good about this game.
Alright, let's get the bruise.
A lot of bullets.
yeah.
Yeah. AK.
Let me tell who know what now?
I didn't even know you were on air. My
that?
stream didn't work. Like the stuff on it.
Oh,
Me, you, and Vince can play. I hear a plane. Yeah, the plane's back. Plane's back, Bruce.
Yeah. A lot of bullets. I ain't got the pump now.
Vince, come on. Whoa!
yeah, just turn around. Yeah.
Hurry up. Oh.
Spots in the cockpit.
Oh shit. What the hell? What the hell? Where's a whole team?
None of them are close.
What the hell? This is cool.
Jump out. Come on, just trying to do it. There's a button that's doing this. Jump, like, jump
Oh, we ran into the whole team.
Don't even talk about it. Don't talk about it. That's it.
Yeah. Alright, so, okay, alright, people, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time we drop a video or go live. It's Triple S Town, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care.